Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing a couch unboxing. I have here the package and I ordered this one a month ago. I did pre-order this and I just got it. So I have here the thank you note and also the receipt as well. So the package is right here. It's beautifully wrapped with the ribbon and the box. Really nice. So let me open this, guys. Let me just slowly and gently pull the ribbon so that we'll be able to see my latest purchase. Okay. Remove the box. And here it is. Oh wow. They always wrap your item nicely. So let me just put this one right there. Here it is. Okay. Another stuffing. So here's the bag. So this is my latest couch purchase and smells good. So let me show you what I got for fall 2020. It is here. And let me show you. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It's so stunning. It's so beautiful. Wow. This is the couch Hutton bag. Wow, look at that color, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Woo! Wow. Okay, let me just go into a detail about this bag. So the website actually called this color as teal. Really nice. And it's more of like the material that they used for this is not like the usual leather that I used to buy, the Gloved leather. This one has more of like a shiny type of leather. Very shiny. It has really, it's more of like a patent. It's more of like a patent leather, and I totally dislike patent leather because of color transfer. I have several patent leather in my collection. I totally dislike them because sometimes you really can't avoid the color transfer. Even if the patent leather, the patent bag is in a dark color, it could still get the color transfer. But anyway, this is how it looks. It is stunningly beautiful. The color, wow. Also, this one comes with the brass hardware. As you can see right here, the Turnlock closure is made up of brass with the iconic horse and carriage. So let me open the bag. The bag has a, how do you call this one? Is it like a fabric? It's more of like a suede. Feels like a suede lining. Let me just, yeah, it looks like a suede though. Really nice. It's in a dark blue color. So let me just take out some of the stuffing inside. Wow, look at that one. Wow. Oh, it has this long chain strap. As you can see, wow. The chain strap has a really nice weight. It is lightweight. And as I noticed, it's so lovely. It is so cute. Looking at the, there's like some sort of like the engraved, there's some sort of like, yeah, this is just not a plain chain though. It has, if you could actually take a closer look on the chain, it actually, they engrave it with something, like, I don't know what it is. Just like that. It has those really tiny engraved stuff around it. Oh, this one is very light. The chain is really light. I love it. It is gorgeous, and it just seems to look like the chain strap actually complements on the color of the bag. Wow, very nice, very lovely. So the inside, it has a compartment right here. There's only 2 compartments. one here, right here in front, and also a large compartment right at the back, and also there is a zip compartment as well. Okay, so there's nothing like special on this bag aside from the color, aside from this really shiny polished leather. Very lovely. You know what I noticed about this bag? It is stiff. It's really stiff. I have no idea, maybe because of the material that they use, but it is stiff, and I don't know, it's so weird. It just feels so weird. Like when you open it, it's not gonna open. It wouldn't open all the way through. It is stiff. It feels like there's a cardboard in it. It's I don't know, it's so weird. So let me just close this one and show you the back of it. So the back has a slip pocket right here. As you could, yeah, it's suede, the inside, and it's really stiff, guys. I don't know, it bothers me a little bit that this one has a very stiff leather. I totally dislike it. And this one also has, oh, I thought this was a top handle, but this is more of like, if you just want to use it like this, you could do that. It is so stunning. I like the chain. I really love the chain, but the material, I totally dislike it for the reason that it is stiff. Right here at the corner, it has glazing. I think that's going to be the issue for this particular bag, knowing that this is really stiff. But looking at the bag itself, it is very classy. It is gorgeous. I love the color. I love the simplicity of it. I love that the bag didn't have this really striking logo, really striking branding in it. It is so simple, yet so elegant. This is such a perfect bag for fall, perfect bag for night out, dinner, or something. It could be anything. You could dress this one up, dress it down. Really lovely. And the only thing is that this chain strap is not removable. So you cannot really remove this one. And yeah, that's the feature of, that's the nature of the Hutton bag. And also right here, well, the stitching is actually pretty nice. I love that it is so neat and it's so shiny. And I'm not really sure about this particular leather that they use, the polished leather, if this is actually prone with scratches. It's because upon looking at it right now, I can already see a lot of fingerprints, and also it is probably prone with scratches, I guess. But I fell in love with the color. I love the simplicity of the Hutton. I love the brass hardware. I just really love that this bag is structured. But the only thing that I have mentioned earlier that I totally dislike, that this bag feels like a cardboard. It is stiff. Really stiff. And I am so used to the Gloved leather from Coach. And I don't know. I really don't know about this particular leather. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but right now I started really like thinking of, well, I paid $395 for this plus tax, so it's probably more likely $400 something. But I totally, like, my expectation was like really such a really, like, I don't know, I mean I have been loving Coach, and I love the Gloved leather. I love that they really made a lot of effort. We're trying to trying to make the detailing so nice, so precise, and the quality is impeccable. And I love that the price point itself is highly affordable. And with this particular item, this is just new. This was just released for fall, and I totally dislike it. I don't know if I could recommend this for having such Coach collector. I have several collections for Coach. I think this bag is something that I am not crazy about. I love the color. I love, the hardware, and everything, but just the material that they use for this, the quality seems like, I don't know. I just don't really, this particular color, you don't need to baby it because you're not going to be able to see the dirt, the scuff, the marks and everything. But looking at it right now, I just touched the bag and I could see my fingerprints in it. I totally dislike that. So anyways, this is just my short unboxing and a little bit of an overview with this new collection from Coach. And I think just by looking at it, it is stunning. It is just so beautiful. I totally love the color, but I have already mentioned the downside of it, something that I totally did not like about this purse. And I could not recommend this bag to anybody at all. I'm so sorry, unfortunately. As much as loving the Coach, the gloved and leather, but this particular type of leather that they use is just stiff. You know, it's just like when you open it, it's like really like, yeah, it's really hard. It's like made up of cardboard. Like, it's ridiculous, really. But anyway, if you're fine with that, you can go for it, you know. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.